In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pulse Elite headset to PlayStation Portal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are able to connect your Pulse Elite headset natively to your PlayStation Portal. You will be able to use the PlayStation Link technology. So to do this, power on your PlayStation Portal. Make sure that both the PlayStation Portal and the Pulse Elite headset are sufficiently charged. Now put your Pulse Elite headset into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation Link button on the headset until the LED indicator starts blinking blue rapidly. This indicates to you that the headset is in pairing mode, scanning for nearby devices. Now the PlayStation Portal should automatically detect the Pulse Elite headset, and it is going to pair itself up with the headset. Once this is done, you might see a notification on your Portal screen confirming the connection, and once this is done, you will be good to go. All of the audio being output on your PlayStation Portal will go over to the headset instead, and you don't have to repeat this process every single time that you power them on. As long as you power them on in close proximity of each other, they should automatically pair up, and it is going to be usable. So all of the audio being output will go over to the Pulse Elite instead. Ensure that both devices have the latest firmware available and that they are sufficiently charged. If it doesn't work and you are experiencing connection issues, try moving the devices closer to each other or away from potential interference sources like Wi-Fi routers or other electronic devices. Make sure that the Pulse Elite headset is connecting to the PlayStation Portal and not to other items around the room automatically. When they are in pairing mode, you simply have to put them in close proximity, and if you are still having trouble, restart both the devices. Leave them for a bit and they should automatically pair up. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Pulse Elite headset to PlayStation Portal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.